Hey, Park Ranger Zoe!
Hey! Perfect timing. I could use some help putting all this stuff away. Put your hand with the Ultra Dino Zapper. I just used it to send a dinosaur into the wild zone.
Wild Zone? What's that?
Oh, it's this area of the park where all sorts of dinosaurs roam free. It's where we send our more wild dinos to exist by themselves in nature, because they seem to like it better that way, and they tend to be a little bit more tricky to handle. So we leave them be in their natural habitat. Wild dinos running wild.
Cool. Sounds like my kind of place.
Yes, except super dangerous for humans, so don't go there alone.
Yes, ma'am. Here you go.
Maddie? Oh no! I must have zapped her to the wild zone! Park Ranger Maddie, do you copy? Calling for Park Ranger Maddie! If you can hear me, don't worry, I'm coming. Stay put. Oh, no. Oh, I'm definitely fired.
Hello? Park Ranger Zoe? Oh boy. Toto. I have a feeling we're not in base camp anymore. I think this is that wild zone. Park Ranger Zoe, do you copy? I think I'm a little lost. Hello? Oh no! I gotta stop the fighting. Hey! Is my CB blaster jammed? It's not working. Let me check my mini Park Ranger manual. Here it is! Wild Zone. Be careful, Park Rangers. Most gadgets don't work in the Wild Zone. Oh great, well, what now? You have to use your Park Ranger wit and some of our wilderness tips. Here, fetch.
Park Ranger Maddie, do you copy? Hello? Don't worry, Maddie, I'm coming. I'm good at solving mysteries. Wait. Which way? I'll check my compass. What the? It's going haywire. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Most gadgets don't work inside the wild zone. Duh. Well, that way looks more safe. But who knows where I zapped Maddie to? I'll check my mini Dino conspiracy manual. Dino conspiracy tip number 42. When choosing a direction, always pick the scarier looking way. They want you to think the safe way is better, but it's a trick. Most scaredy cats will be tricked. Be brave. Okay, Zoe. Be brave. Take the scary way. Yikes.
Phew! That was close. Our dinos gone. Come on, Maddie. You've always been an outdoorsy girl. You can do this. Park Ranger survival tip number 1. First things first, find some shade. Already done. I'm a natural. Park Ranger survival tip number 2. Always stay hydrated. Park Ranger survival tip number 3. Gather some food. You never know how long you'll be out here. Oh, great. Okay, if I were an herbivore, where would I look for food? Grr, grr, I'm hungry for food. Wait a minute. Bingo!
It's Maddie's sleepy dart blaster. I must be getting close. Hang tight! I'm coming for your park ranger, Maddie! The scary way was the right way.
Oh no! Spinosaurus! What should I do? Park Ranger survival tip number 4. Camouflage yourself to hide from predators.
I can't find her anywhere. I hope she's okay. Oh, maybe I should call Park Ranger Aaron. Dinosaur, it's no signal. Ah! Ah! Oh, man! Dino bird duty, go, come on! Well, the dinosaur legend is if you get dino bird duty on you, it's supposed to be good luck, so I hope that's true. Oh, God. Maddie! Maddie! Oh.
Phew, coast is clear. All dinos gone. I'm sure Park Ranger's always looking for me, but I don't know how to find her here. Let me check my mini Park Ranger manual. Park Ranger survival tip number 5. If you get lost from each other, get up as high as you can so you can see a trail or where your group is. That's true. If I could get up high, I could probably see her. I can get up there easy.
Wait a minute. This looks like the end of the wild zone. I must have gone the wrong direction. Or I passed her. Better turn around. Hey, buddy! Really? The clicky doesn't work here either? Wait, I remember you. You were that raptor I talked to once when I thought I was a raptor. Maybe I can try talking to you again. I've done it once before. Just called over more raptors.
Yeehaw! I finally made it. Let's give her a look-see. There she is! Park Ranger Zoe! But what's that in front of her? Horseshoes raptors! I gotta go help her! I can't use gadgets on them, but I can definitely distract them. Loud and Rowdy's my middle name! Yeehaw!
Shoo! Shoo! Go away now, please!
Over here, you raptors! Come to me like my phone animals do! Hi there. I didn't think this far into the plan. Nice raptors.
Oh no, Maddie! Think, Zoe, think! I know. What's the one thing most creatures hate, wild or domestic? It's getting sprayed in the face with water. And this should work too because it's natural water. Yes, it works. Get ready to take a bath, friends! Ah! Maddie, quick! Base camp is that way. I'll meet you there. Go! Ah! Yeah, my dogs hate getting a bath too. Go. Woo! That was a close call. I am so sorry, Maddie.
Are you kidding? That was the best adventure I've ever had. I gotta learn how to survive in the wilderness.
Well, I hope you never have to use those skills again. Oh, hey Park Ranger Aaron. You are never gonna believe it. We spent the entire day in the Wild Zone in Park B. Do you know anything about that place?
I know it can be kind of tricky out there.
Very tricky. It's all my fault. I accidentally zapped Park Ranger Maddie over there. But we made it back, barely. Those raptor packs are smart.
At least no one got dino duty on them.
I wouldn't say that exactly.
How do you know about that?
I can smell it.
Anyway, we gotta get going. Sorry, pressing matters. Bye, Park Ranger Aaron. Thanks for the call.
Okay, see you later.
Mission log 621. Always clean up the evidence of dino duty, or you will never stop hearing about it.
Sorry! I can't help it.
It is pretty funny. And it did bring me good luck. I found you. So, thanks, Dino Bird. Oh no, not again.